Well, hopefully the noise ain't too bad on this video. The last video that I made today, I had the case off the GoPro and the wind just made awful noise. So hopefully this one ain't like that. Anyway, back to work on the Cub Cadet 3000 series. Going to do a tune-up today. I remember some of y'all probably that was watching my live stream titled "This Sucks" was probably or where it was shooting. I was talking about it was shooting the dipstick out of the out. Well, the problem was right here. Ooh, I just gotta put these clamps on today too. It was shooting. This was stopped up full of mud. This is the breather. This is a crankcase breather. There should be a hose going to this to the air filter. Of course, he ain't got the air filter yet, but the air filter is supposed to be on its way this week. So we're going to do the carburetor. We're going to do an oil change today. Spark plugs, carburetor. We're going to go back through the carburetor, clean it up a little bit more, and put the clamps and stuff back on the fuel lines. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to do the oil change and then I'll start this camera back up. So the oil's changed. We're going to do the spark plugs now, and then I'm going to go back over through the carburetor one more time. I didn't clean it real good the last time. I just cleaned it enough to see if I can get it to start. So I'm going to go back over it one more time, clean it good, and we'll go from there. So let's get the spark plugs changed. went ahead and got the carburetor back on, but I'm probably gonna have to take it back off again in order to rebuild kit. I had issues with the O-ring, putting the O-ring back in. Sometimes you can get lucky and reuse the O-rings, most of the time not. And I probably should have went ahead and ordered a carb kit, but I was trying to not have to. So let's see what we got now. It doesn't help that we still have a little bit of bad gas in here. That's a little better, guys. That's a little better. That's without the choke on now. See what it does when we put on the here we go. I think a lot of it's that old gas still in there is causing issues. Yeah guys, I think we'll go ahead and get a carb kit and rebuild that carburetor the right way. I was hoping that we could just clean it, but I knew better. I don't know why I didn't just go ahead and order the carburetor kit. We're waiting for the air cleaner to come in anyway. I'd order a carb kit and probably get it off Amazon and get it here next day. Other than that, the deck turns on, that's a plus. And it will run somewhat. And ain't blowing the dipstick out no more. That's definitely a plus. Still gotta put a little bit of hydraulic fluid in here for the rear end. Anyway, that's it for this. I guess we did all we could for today. Gotta get on there and order a carb kit. So, later everyone.